not to waste our time. Let's refresh. Let's say again the steps of creating a Google Classroom. So Sahar, again, can you tell us how to create a Google Classroom for the first time in only 3 steps quickly? Number one,
Signing up with a Google account.
okay, not only Google account, you can sign up with any kind of account, not only Google account. Okay, what else?
Okay.
The second step,
Second, create a classroom.
from the plus button on the at the top of the page on the right. Okay, exactly.
Okay.
Number three, yes, number three, Ms. Sahar.
Number 3 is to make assignment, I think.
Before this, choose from to choose the link, the
Yes,
invitation
the
link,
link.
or yes,
Yeah.
either to choose the link. Let's see together from the very beginning. Again, we choose here Google Classroom. Let's see again from the very beginning. And after that, from this plus button, we choose either to join class or create class. After creating our class, we send the code to our learners and they press here join class. When they enter the code, they enter automatically to the classroom. Okay, so this is the first step. Okay, let's see again. Here is grade 1. This is the shape of the page after creating your classroom. This is the classroom. When you press here, you can find this. Okay, here are the settings. From the settings again, if you want your learners to enter the classroom, see the assignments and homework, first of all, you should send them the code. You can send them either the invitation link or send them the code, okay? And here the stream, you can find everything you have made here. This is the first step. After that, you can find that here, the classes, the calendar, grade 1 also, and all the classes you have created. If you have created a lot of classes, you can find them here, okay? This is the first thing you, after creating the classroom. What kinds of assignments can we do using Google Classroom? Let's see together. Here are this is the classroom. Here we can find the stream, classwork. On this classwork, we can find this button on the left, create. What can we create on Google Classroom? We can create assignment, as I have showed you before, okay, as in these examples, writing and workbook. So you can create different kinds of assignments as possible as you want. Maybe writing a paragraph, maybe answering the workbook, maybe write a sentence under the picture. You can add a picture, you can add a file, you can send them a PDF book, you can send them whatever you think and like. This is the assignment again here. For example, reading a story. And let's see the options here. If you look here, you can choose from on the left, okay? You can choose from the drive on your mobile like this. If you press the here, you can find upload if you want to upload something from the internet. My drive if you want to send them, for example, a PDF book. You can find here, this is my drive. There are some PDF books. You can send them some videos. If I press here on the video, let's see together. You press on the video, one selected and insert. Let's see together what will happen together, okay? And here you can assign, yes, this is the name of the video language teaching method. Here are the points. You can assign the points as you like. براحتنا بقى. You can put 100, 10 marks, 5 marks, 20, and so on, as you like, okay? Here, due and topic. Due, you can choose a specific date. For example, today is 12th March. We can assign the homework, or we can give them only 2 days to do the homework. Here is 13, for example. We can make it like 15, for example, due 15th March 2022, okay? Time optional. We can assign the time, the specific or the short time For example, the page or the homework, the time for doing the homework will end at 23:59. It means before 12 a.m. on 15th. Okay, so it's very important if you want to assign the day to choose due. Topic here, you can create topic. You can write the title of the topic writing, for example. It's a writing. And rubric. Rubric here, you can write every single instruction. You will correct the paragraph or the writing passage according to. For example, create rubric. If we are asking them to write, for example, a paragraph, we can put here 1 mark for punctuation. Criterion description, punctuation. Okay. Points 1. Level title. We can here write another thing. Points, 1 mark for this. Level title, maybe grammar. Description, grammar mistakes. And so on. So you write, add a criterion, you write the rubric, you want to check or to correct your writing passage, or you tell your students how will you correct their errors or mistake, and you put them a rubric, معيار, on how to correct their writing passage. Okay, this is another kind. Here also, if you look at create quiz assignment, and it's the same way as if you are trying to form a quiz for your learners. For example, let's see together, blank choose, blank quiz, here is the blank. Let's see if you want to form a quiz. It takes you automatically to Google Forms, how you can form an automatic or an online exam or an online assessment. بياخدنا على طول كده للجوجل فورمز، ازاي اعمل لهم الاسئله اللي هي بتصحح تلقائي من نفسها. like this هنا blank quiz, choose or multiple choice. Okay, here on you write the question, for example, an elephant is. Here you choose the kind of question. You choose multiple choice. So option 1, small. Add others. Big. Tiny. And be careful when you write the multiple choices to check the correct answer. Here, small, tiny, and another option here, big, and you have where did it go? Okay, so here is the form again. Here is the question, but when you write the answer, try to check the correct answer. Okay, here required. Here is you as a teacher, you check the correct answer. But because I'm working on the mobile, it's not clear. I cannot show you how to check it. يعني بنختار يا جماعة أصلا الإجابة الصح بنعمل لها إيه؟ بنختارها to be corrected automatically. Here is the question. An elephant is small, big, or tiny, as we have chosen. اللي هي الأسئلة اللي احنا بنعملها على الجوجل فورم سايتس. But this is another kind if you want to make an assignment using a quiz. What other types of questions should we use? Here is a question. Here, if you want to take their opinion about something, for example, do you like to study story? Or, for example, grammar tomorrow. And assign. So they send you their answers or their opinions. We can write, what's your opinion about? What's your opinion about? Or what's your point of view about? And so on. Here is material. If you want to send them some material, if you want to say that it's the same way as I showed you before. If you want to send them a video from your uploading from Google or from YouTube or whatever, if we here, if we press upload, you can here find browse. Okay.
Ms. Firdaus? Ms. Firdaus, you still there? Ms. Firdaus, do you hear me?